Hello and welcome back to the Codeshop channel, where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a subscription product in Odoo 18. Subscription products are a powerful way to build consistent revenue and keep your customers engaged, whether you're offering monthly training sessions, digital content, or even physical goods delivered on recurring basis. Odoo makes it simple to set this up with flexible pricing and automated invoicing. So let's dive in and see how it's done. To start, open the subscription app from your Odoo dashboard. Once inside, go to the top menu and click on Products and Products again. Here you'll see a list of existing products that are marked as subscription enabled. You can modify any of these or create a new one from scratch. In this video, we'll walk through creating a brand new subscription product. So let's click the New button to open the product creation form. In Odoo 18, the layout of the product form might look familiar if you worked with sales or inventory before. The key difference here is that we're enabling this product for subscriptions, and that's done by checking this option. You'll also notice a few other availability options like sales, purchase, expenses, point of sale, and rental. This lets you control where and how the product is used across apps. But for this video, we'll keep the focus on subscriptions. Next, give your product a name. Let's call this one English Class Subscription. Now let's talk about the product type. Odoo sets it to service by default for subscription products, which is perfect for things like classes, lessons, or consulting hours. But if you're offering physical products like a monthly delivery box, you can choose goods or even a combo of multiple items. Depending on what you choose, the form will show relevant fields. For example, if you choose a goods type, you'll be able to track inventory. If it's a service, Odoo gives you options to automatically create tasks or projects when a sales order is confirmed. In our case, we'll set the product type to service. Then under the create an order field, we'll choose task. So a new task gets created in the project tab automatically when the subscription is sold. This helps your team take actions immediately after the sale, avoiding delays in customer follow-up. And of course, you can select the project to which you want that task be connected. You can also enable the planned services option if you want Odoo to automatically assign shifts for employees with a specific role. Just select the appropriate role from the drop-down menu. The system will consider employee availability and the remaining time to be planned. You can also manually schedule open shifts for your sales order or assign them to any employee you prefer. If you're offering something like a monthly courses, you might want to track it using a custom unit of measure. So for internal tracking purposes, I've set up a custom ULM specifically for our English classes. As you can see here, we are measuring this in classes because our monthly training package includes 8 classes per month. I already configured this in the backend. Now, since each class is exactly 1 hour, I placed this unit under the working time category. Odoo uses an 8-hour workday as the reference unit. So whenever we create a custom unit under this category, it needs to be based on that 8-hour standard. For instance, I created an UOM for our yearly package, which includes 100 classes or essentially 100 working hours. To calculate the correct ratio, I just divided 100 by 8, which gave me 12.5. That's the number I entered in the configuration. So essentially, we took one of Odoo's standard unit categories, working time, and adapted it slightly to fit the needs of our service-based business. Now we can accurately track and allocate time when our instructors are assigned to students and log their course hours, whether it's through the Projects app or the Timesheets app. Okay, now let's go back to our product card and open the Recurring Prices tab. This is where we define the subscription plans. Click Add a Price Rule, then select the billing interval. Let's start with monthly and set the price to $150. Next, let's create a yearly plan for those who prefer to commit longer term. Click Add a Price Rule again, select Yearly, and let's offer a discount, say $1,000 for the year. You can create as many price rules as you like, based on different durations or customer segments. Odoo also lets you limit a pricing rule to a specific price list. But if you leave that field empty, it applies to all customers. Once your subscription product is fully configured, don't forget to hit the Go to Website Smart button and toggle it to Published. That way, customers can view and purchase it right from your site. That's all for this tutorial. Hopefully, you now feel confident creating subscription products in Odoo 18. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.